Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sowmya. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we will discuss about my Generative AI project. I recently attended the Generative AI Mega Workshop which is hosted by Rahul Attuluri Sir. I learned a lot of new things like LLM, Gradio, Long Chain, GitHub, Hugging Face, etc. Hugging Face was launched in 2016. The monthly visits of Hugging Face is 22.9 million. The GitHub was launched in 2008. The monthly visits of GitHub is 412.9 million. You cannot believe I built my own generative AI project within 3 hours. I am giving my project link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not watching my previous videos, let's go and check out on my YouTube channel.
Hello, how can I assist you today? As an A, I don't have personal preferences or the ability to visit physical places. However, some popular tourist destinations in India include the Taj Mahal in Agra, Jaipur in Rajasthan, Kerala's backwaters, the beaches of Goa, and the bustling city of Mumbai. India is a diverse country with a rich cultural heritage and natural beauty, so there are many amazing places to explore.